Lilac's hands were etched with a lifetime of stories, a map of calloused lines crisscrossing the soft canvas of her palms. Each furrow held a memory, a tiny wrinkle whispering of scraped knees soothed, bedtime stories woven, and tears gently caught. She sat on the porch swing, its rhythmic creak a familiar lullaby, cradling a mug of chamomile tea. Across from her, perched on the edge of the swing, was Maya, her daughter. Sunlight, catching the fireflies in Maya's braids, spilled dappled shadows across the porch floor. Maya, a whirlwind of curiosity and boundless energy, had a habit of collecting questions like dragonflies, flitting, iridescent, impossible to grasp. Tonight, her brow furrowed, she held up a worn copy of Alice in Wonderland. "Mama," she said, her voice laced with wonder, "do you think rabbits really talk?" Lilac smiled, the lines around her eyes crinkling like forget-me-nots. "Perhaps not in the way we do, little one," she began, her voice soft as dandelion fluff. "But I believe they listen, in their own way. They listen to the rustle of leaves, the whisper of the wind, and the stories hidden in the moonbeams." Maya's eyes, wide as sunflowers, held the echo of 1,000 unspoken questions. Lilac knew. She knew the fear of falling down rabbit holes, the weight of dreams yet to unfold, the ache of a heart not yet bruised by the world. The porch swing creaked, a gentle counterpoint to Maya's restless spirit. Lilac wrapped her arm around her daughter, a wordless embrace bridging the ever-growing gap between childhood and womanhood. "You know," Lilac said, her voice like a brook trickling over smooth stones, "there's a garden within every story, Maya. And in yours, the seeds of courage, kindness, and wisdom are already sown. All you need is to let them bloom." The fireflies dimmed, one by one, as twilight cloaked the garden. Maya, lulled by the rhythm of the swing and the warmth of her mother's embrace, drifted off to sleep. Lilac watched her, a quiet sentry guarding the dreams dancing behind her closed eyelids. In the soft hush of the night, Lilac traced the map on her hands, each line a testament to the endless wonder of motherhood. Her hands, weathered but strong, cradled not just a mug of tea, but a universe of possibilities, woven with love, whispered stories, and the silent promise of an ever-present sunbeam. For Lilac knew, with a certainty born of 1,000,000 moonlit nights and whispered prayers, that a mother's love was a compass, guiding her daughter through the labyrinthine pathways of life, leading her ever closer to the garden waiting to bloom with